Hello guys! In this video, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano mag-alpha list data entry and validation module for the first quarter. Yung month covered nito are January, February, and March, which is ang deadline ng filing is on April 30, 2025. So to start, punta na tayo sa ating alpha list data entry module. Dapat naka-install na ito sa inyong PC. Yung alpha list data entry and validation module, dalawa yan. Dapat magkasama yan. So, login na tayo sa ating account. So, select lang natin yung CAP. And then, select 1601E. So, i-fill up lang natin dito yung required information. So, yung month, ang gagawin natin, una is yung for the month of January, and then which quarter. So, that is first quarter. And then, schedule 1. So, mag-update na tayo. So, we are working for the month of January. So, dito guys, i-provide natin yung information ng seller or ng building owner. And before tayo makapag-edit, i-click natin yung add. So, provide lang natin dito guys yung information ng seller or ng building owner. And then yung registered name nila. And yung ATC, since yung sa amin, ang binabayaran namin is rental. So, yung code is WC100. And then yung monthly amount na binabayaran nyo. And then magge-generate na yan kung magkano ang tax rate withheld. And then after ma-fill upan, i-save lang natin. So after save, i-click naman natin yung exit. And then, gawin naman natin yung for the month of February. So, same procedure. First quarter, and then select schedule 1. And then, fill up the seller information. So, put TIN number of the seller. Yung ATC code, WC100 for the rental. And then, amount ng monthly rental. And then, click save. And then, exit. And then, proceed na tayo for the month of March. First quarter. And then, select schedule 1. And update. So, click add. Put TIN number of the seller. ATC code, and then yung monthly amount ng inyong binabayaran. So, click save, and then exit. So, i-generate na natin yung file. So, huwag kalimutan na i-change yung month. So, yung month ng January. Then, first quarter. Ayan, automatic lalabas yung mga file na ating nagawa. So, save lang natin yan. Makikita naman natin yung date ng file. So, double check na lang. Double check ng file. Yung file name na nagawa natin. So, after generating the file, back to CAP menu na tayo and then exit. So, dito naman tayo sa validation module. Dito sa validation module, makikita natin kung tama ba yung ating nagawang file. Dapat no errors encountered. So, dito sa validation module, ang information naman na ating i-provide is yung sa payee, yung nagbabayad. So, to proceed, click na natin yung 1601 EQ. And then, i-browse na natin yung file na nagawa natin kanina sa AlphaList Data Entry. So, hanapin natin yung file name. So, just select and click OK. So, change natin yung month. Dapat same yung month ng nagawa nating file kanina. So, yan, no errors encountered. So, meaning, tama yung nagawa nating file sa ating data entry. So, yan. Then, browse naman tayo sa second file for the month of February. So, hanapin lang natin yung file. And then click OK. So, change the month. Ayan. No errors encountered. So, tama ulit yung nagawa natin. And then, for the third month, so, browse yung for the month of March. Then click OK, and then change month. So, yan guys, no errors encountered. So, tama lahat yung nagawa nating file. So, validation successful. So, exit na tayo guys. So, that's all for this video guys. Thank you for watching. Bye!